I look like I want to talk to the manager, but I also like Trix yogurt. Hey y'all, what is up, Kaka Squad? So today, I thought it would be kind of fun to kind of transform myself into the opposite of me. Like the opposite of my eyeballs, the opposite of my hairstyle, the opposite of my style. Just for poops and giggles, you know? And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, excuse me. I'm allergic to haters. So first I gotta do something about my clothing style. If I had to describe my style, it would be colorful and baggy. So to do the opposite, I have to wear something that's dark and tight. So I got this Instant Baddie Thought sweatsuit, you know, it's like hella tight. The top is also tight and of course cropped, which is definitely the opposite of what I wear because I usually don't like to show off the assets because I am self-conscious. So let's put it on. Feeling self-conscious. Personally, I like to be engulfed by my clothes, pero like, it's really comfy, not gonna lie. The strings are freakishly long though. This is what it must feel like to have a scrotum. So next is the greñas. So I like to rock my hair as natural as possible. You know, I rock my naturally curly hair. I have my natural color. My hair is pretty long and actually my hair is virgin, so. So the opposite would be to have short, straight hair that's dyed. Pero like, I don't have the balls to do that. So I got myself a peluca. I have never worn a wig in my entire life, so I have like, hopefully it doesn't look ratchet. Also, if it looks cheap, that's because it was. Battery on a budget. So it comes with instructions, so I'm gonna try to follow that.
You better stop!
Ay, me está jalando. Martin! Help!
What happened?
Help! It's getting stuck on my earrings.
Why in the world did you put that on your face?
It says to. Look. Oh!
I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry.
No. Stop. I literally look like an onion mixed with Snoop Dogg. Why is there a clip in here? What the hell? I've never worn a wig, so I'm not sure how to use these at all. Ew. Okay, I look ugly, but Ew.
Oh my god!
It's so ugly. I don't think I'm doing this right. How come other girls look super hot in wigs? Not gonna lie, this hair is so soft. What the freak? Pretty good for $15 or whatever the frick I paid. I don't remember. I look like I want to talk to the manager, but I also like Trix yogurt. So the next step is color contact lens. I got these blue ones from lens.me, which I've never heard of before. And all it took was one YouTuber to recommend this. So I'm putting a lot of trust in this person, okay? Hopefully she didn't promote a scam because I ain't trying to get a corneal abrasion or an eye infection. It also doesn't help that I've never worn contacts in my entire freaking life. So, double oof. Okay, so I know literally nothing about contacts, so I'm about to go to YouTube and see what I can find. How to clean color contact lens. And I'm just going to click on the first one. Literally, why does every beauty video from 5 years ago have this song? Okay, so after watching a few tutorials with horribly obnoxious ukulele music, I think I know what to do. First, I'm gonna wash my hands. They come in this weird vial that looks like insulin. How the frick do you open this? contact is still in there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so lucky, dude. The solution spilled everywhere. So I finally got the stupid contacts into the contact case thingy. Now I have to put them on my eyeball. Okay. I have the freaking contact right here. And I'm gonna just go for it. No! Is it bad to put in a contact if it fell in the sink? If it fell in the sink, should I still put it in?
No, clean solution.
Oh, okay, thanks. Honestly, this is so freaking hard. I'm never doing this again ever in my life. I don't know how people do this every day. Please, 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 please. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, maybe I'll do this again. Whoa, this looks crazy. It looks real. It looks super real. Not gonna lie, my eyes are a little itchy because it fell in the sink, but it's worth it. Bro! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoa! 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 Look at that. Whoa, dude. This is so trippy. It was at this moment that I was too excited and partially blinded to realize the fact that I had put in my contacts completely wrong. You can see how the dot is off center because I accidentally switched the right and left contact. Because of that dot that was off center, it blurred my vision, so for the remainder of the video, you're going to hear me say, I can't see, my vision's blurry. And that's probably why. So a round of applause for me, please. Okay, so the contacts are in and it only took like a freaking hour. I can't even tell if you can tell that you can tell that I can tell that you can tell that I can tell. You know what I mean? Because my vision's a little blurry right now, not gonna lie. Probably because I dropped up in the sink. So if I get an eye infection, we all know what went down. I feel like that blue eyes meme. No one. People with blue eyes. So the last step of the opposite transformation is to beat my face. Because if you know me, you know that I always be repping my bare face. Even if I look musty, dusty, or crusty, I don't care. However, I will give the disclaimer that because I don't really wear makeup, my makeup skills are like stuck in 2003. I'm not on the level of most booty gurus nowadays. So I'm gonna try my best. Please don't judge me. So first I'm gonna conceal, aka what my sister calls covering up God's mistakes. But sadly it is not strong enough to cover up the mistakes of my past. Also, I can't find my beauty sponge things. So if you're a makeup guru and you're like extremely cringing right now at what I'm doing, I'm really sorry. Also, it doesn't help that my vision is getting super cloudy right now. I come from the makeup generation that is before Kim Kardashian, okay? Back in the day, we thought that lip gloss and blue eyeshadow meant you were popping. Oh God, this is so bad. Or is it good? Or is it bad? I can't tell. I don't know. I literally can't tell. My vision is blurry. Honestly, I did this because I thought it was gonna be fun, but I'm like low-key really stressed out. I just really want this to come out good, you know what I'm saying? I literally chose the worst day to do this. I have to leave to a movie in 15 minutes. So I'm not sure why the hell I decided to do this now. I don't have the time nor the skill to do like a really nice full beat, so I'ma just go for like a natural look. And I ain't talking about the natural look that has 67 steps. I'm just talking about like concealer, mascara, lipstick. So now I'm gonna do my lipstick crusty as hell. Ew, I hate this. Oh my gosh. I don't even know who I'm looking at. Like, I look so insanely different. Like, all these makeup gurus, y'all lucky I ain't in the game. All right? Because everyone's quaking right now. Everyone's quacking. I'm gonna call my sister and see what she thinks. Hopefully she picks up. Look at my...
Oh my gosh. Oh my God. You look crazy.
Right? Look, wait, look at my eyes.
I know, I saw. It's insane. You look like, just like a burnt Jeffree Star.
Martin! you think?
Who are you? What the heck? Oh my gosh.
Do you like it?
It's so weird.
Do you wish I was like this every day?
No.
No? I do look like a baddie though.
Yeah. You look high maintenance.
I look high, except my nails are musty. I just realized I should have done fake nails. But honestly, my nails are already really long naturally, so.
That's crazy.
I have to leave for the movies in literally 5 minutes. And I really don't want to go out in public like this. It kind of sucks that I'm gonna have to take it all off to go to the movies because I really don't have the balls to go out like this in public. So like, whatever. It's a fun little thing for you and me. Alrighty, y'all. So that is me doing the opposite of me transformation challenge. Let me know how gooped and gagged you are on a scale from gooped to gagged. Personally, I'm gooped and gagged. I'm really sorry for the bad quality makeup. Like I said, I'm not a makeup guru. I tried my best. Comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know down below what you think of the result, and let me know down below who else you would like to see do this challenge. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.